something that's powerful, because I
What
think
do
not only that
Peruvians
you have
think
a
about
strong brand
Jamaica?
in the way that most people would associate Jamaica with probably certain things, but these are all positive things. I think if you ask a regular guy in the street now walking here, what's their feelings were when they think about Jamaica, I would probably guess more people would say happy.
Yep.
And that might not be true, but that's the perception we have. So Jamaica is a happy, free, everybody is happy, and then, yeah, man, let's talk about that. That's how we feel about it. That might not be true, but I would rather have a brand, a country brand, that is associated with happiness than, I don't know, because not many countries have something that they can export, and people go, I want to go into that.
Exactly. I mean, here's some of the things I heard. First thing, Bob Marley. Of course. When they think Jamaica, Bob Marley. Then the second thing, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, the fastest guy in the world. You guys have that. Third